Hey everyone, welcome to my demo of Claude's PowerPoint and Excel connectors that let you use natural language to build professional presentation decks and complete data analysis workbooks. These tools are game changers for data professionals, analysts, and anyone who dreads starting from a blank canvas because they deliver professional results in seconds instead of hours. Let's start with the PowerPoint connector. Head to the Microsoft Marketplace, search for Claude, and install it with one click. Once installed and opened in PowerPoint, you'll see the new Claude add-in pane. Sign in with your Claude Pro account and you're ready to go. Starting from a completely blank presentation canvas, it's as simple as prompting Claude to create exactly what you need. For this demo, I'm asking Claude to build a PowerPoint deck that showcases the capabilities of the Claude for PowerPoint connector itself. You can watch it immediately set up a professional master theme, then generate multiple slides with speaker notes already included. In just a few beautifully designed slides, it highlights key capabilities like turning simple prompts into complete professional decks, creating executive-ready visuals and dashboards from raw numbers, where all the charts remain fully editable in PowerPoint, and even includes a comparison against Copilot. Now, while the comparison might be slightly biased, I actually had a noticeably better experience with Claude than when I ran a similar test using Copilot. The connector also handles flowcharts, org charts, shapes, and SmartArt beautifully, and you can even share your brand template with it for customized company designs that match your style perfectly. While this capability is incredibly powerful, I want to be transparent about some current limitations. It can't fetch images from the internet, generate AI images, embed videos, or take screenshots. Animations and transition effects are fairly basic, and it doesn't pull or sync live connected data sources. Design-wise, it's also not as visually polished as something like a Gamma app, which specializes purely in presentation design with more advanced layout algorithms and infinite canvas flexibility. That said, the value here is still massive because you're getting 80% of a professional deck in 5% of the time. For technical demos, client proposals, RFPs, or any situation where you need something solid, fast, this is genuinely transformative. That's Claude for PowerPoint. Next, we'll look at the Claude for Excel connector, which takes this to another level entirely. Similar to the PowerPoint connector, the Claude for Excel connector is available in the Microsoft Marketplace, so you'll want to first go ahead and install it there. Once installed, it becomes available right within Excel, and we're ready to see what it can do. This is a genuinely powerful connector with the potential to build entire workbooks from single prompts. It can create monthly budget trackers, analyze data sets, and generate charts and pivot tables, write complex advanced formulas, handle filtering and conditional logic, and generate realistic dummy data, and much more. One noticeable limitation is that it currently doesn't have internet access and works only from its training data and the workbook context, though this could change as it's still in beta. Okay, let's start simple. As you can see, it easily creates a year-over-year financial statement complete with interconnected formulas. Now, let me ask it to build a monthly budget tracker. And sure enough, it generates a fully functional tracker with categories, formulas, and summaries in just a few seconds. Let's try something more complex. I'm asking it to build a complete discounted cash flow model for a company with $100 million in revenue, growing at 8% annually. It smartly asks clarifying questions about projection horizon, discount rate, terminal growth rate, and desired level of detail. Then, in seconds, it constructs the entire DCF model with all assumptions, cash flow projections, discount calculations, and terminal value properly linked. So far, it's incredibly impressive. Next, I'll ask it to generate 2,000 rows of realistic sales transaction data across 15 columns, complete with customer, products, dates, quantities, pricing, discounts, and then create pivot tables and charts summarizing key insights like top products, customer segmentation, monthly trends, and profitability analysis. The results are excellent, with publication-ready visuals and accurate aggregations, and it doesn't stop there. I can keep pushing its advanced capabilities, and it showcases them effortlessly. From interactive VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP formulas and dynamic arrays to sophisticated conditional formatting, scenario analysis with data tables, Monte Carlo simulations, and even full model audits that trace precedents and validate business logic. This is enterprise-grade Excel automation from natural language prompts. So there you have it. Claude's PowerPoint and Excel connectors in action. The real value? 10x faster decks and workbooks, freeing you from formatting hell to focus on insights. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.